air filter change on a 2016 Toyota Prius. Really simple. So if you open the hood, you look under here and you see this little box here. This is the air box, and this is the top side of it going into the intake. Then you got the bottom side where it's pulling air in kind of from the front or under the car. You got these two metal clips. Just unclip those, and then it's got these this little spot that it fits in. So if you pull it forward just a little bit and kind of pull up, switch hands here, kind of pull it out of there, you can pull it up enough without undoing any of this. The rubber coupling here has enough wiggle room where you can pull it up just a little bit and you can pull your old filter out. This one doesn't look too bad, but we do have a new one to put in. So doing this one-handed, we're just gonna pull it up, slip the new one in, and we come back over here and push that in. Make sure these fit in their little spot, front and back. Push it down, snap it back together. Quick and easy. No tools required. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more. Thanks.